Hi there, my name is Aditya Agarwal, and in this video I will show you how you can actually perform a security assessment through Appie. So I'm actually the creator of Appie, and so first of all, what is Appie is? So Appie is a software package that has been pre-configured to function as an Android pen testing environment. So you can run Appie on any Windows machine and without the need of a virtual machine or dual boot system. So it actually runs as a software, right? So first of all, difference between Appy and the existing environment. So you do not require a virtual machine or a dual boot system, which I have already told you. So it's run as a software. It requires only about 1.5 GB, and in the case of virtual machine, it requires about 10 GB of space. It is completely portable. You can carry it on any USB stick or something, and you can just plug it in another system. It will work. So if you wanted to just get started, then you can just download the file from either SourceForge or from torrent. It will provide you a Appie v3 installer file, and through the installer file it will install Appie in this C Appie folder, and these are the files which you will be provided. So you can actually open Appie through appie.exe file or .appie.bat file. If you would just open with appie.exe file, see how fast it is. Okay, so these are the tools which are included in Appie. If you are familiar with the Android security and all, you would be able to recognize them. So we have APK tool, AndroGuard, Atom, Browser, Dex2Jar, JTGUI, SQL Map. So it is Java runtime environment and Python. So these all tools require either Java runtime environment or Python to run those. Okay, so Appie has Java runtime environment in it. So you can run Appie on any fresh Windows installation without any problem. Okay, it has Mozilla Firefox as well with some security add-ons. So if you wanted to do some API testing or web testing, then it would be very useful to you. So it provides a Linux kind of environment. So it has all Unix commands like ls, cat, chmod, and others. Also, it has some vulnerable Android applications. So if you are a beginner in Android security, then it has Insecure Bank V2 and OWASP Godroid project. Okay, so you can just test your skills on this particular project and validate your skills. So for the basic usage, see, first of all, let us see what actually Appie is. See, you have given a terminal like this, and you can just open more consoles by pressing CTRL-T. By pressing CTRL-T, you can actually create more and more consoles. You can create as many consoles you want until your system crashes. Okay, so from each terminal you can do a specific task. Uh, okay, so suppose like you wanted to use APK tool, so you can just type APK tool from here. Okay, so from here you are using APK tool, and if you wanted to open Androbox, then you can just open from Androbox from here, or you can open from Androbox from the first terminal as well. It won't create any problem. So these many consoles are provided just to facilitate you so that you can perform multiple operations at the same time. Very well. And it has a text-based editor in it. If you wanted to use Atom as a text-based editor, you can just type in Atom, and it will open Atom in the another half of the terminal. You can resize this terminal as well by pressing this button, and it will maximize this window. Okay, if you wanted to close it, then you can just click on this file and exit. And if you wanted to use browser, you can just type this browser console connect and all. If you wanted to use JDGUI, then you can just type JDGUI, so it will open up. And likewise, the Pitcat can be used. You can use SQLite browser. Okay, so volatility framework and Wireshark also can be used over here. So you can see just how you accelerate. So it might seem slow to you just because I am running this whole system in another virtual machine. So maybe that can be cause of this particular lag in it. Okay, so it has all those tools, and uh, here is the usage of it. So another thing is, if you have any questions, if you are facing any problem, most probably it would be answered in the FAQs. And if you have any other issue with it, then you can just drop me an email at aditya@manifest security, and I would be happy to help you. You can just drop me an email, or you can just tweet me to expert protocol as well. So that is the basic introduction of Appie and how you can actually use it. Thanks.